To add fingerprint to the Poco F8 Ultra, you have to start by opening Settings. Next, you have to scroll down and navigate for fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Settings. Open the fingerprint unlock. And now you have to input your screen password and click Next. Now as you can see, we have to click Record. Click that we've got it. And the fingerprint sensor is located here in the screen. So we have to press and rotate our finger slightly. There we go. We have to put our finger, move to the left side, right side, up and the bottom part. Basically, we have to scan every part of our finger. And now as you can see, it is finished. So we can click done. And that's basically everything. You can add right now another fingerprint, for example, or you can rename this one. So we can mark this one that is on the right hand. The second one can add to the left hand. And here you can also find some fingerprint options, like for example, the fingerprint animation and stuff like that.